Thermal modification. It's a way of preserving wood for outdoor use. That's it, essentially. It accomplishes two main things. Number one, it increases the durability of the wood so that the wood can last a long time outside. The second part is stability. The wood is changed on a molecular level by the heat process so that the wood doesn't want to cup or warp or twist or do what wood typically does in an outdoor setting. Thermally modified wood is a completely natural process. Basically, you're taking the wood down the route of charcoal. You're cooking it at a very high temperature without the use of any kind of chemicals or man-made resins or epoxies. It's just wood, heat, and steam. What makes us unique when it comes to thermally modified wood is not that we have a good source of wood, but that we are the source of the wood. In other words, we have our own forestry staff, we have our own sawmills, we have our own kilns. We do our own thermal modification and milling. Everything is done here in-house. Our company is completely integrated from forest to finish. One of the great things about thermally modified wood is it's the real deal. It's what every other product out there tries to look like. So you get the natural wood grain, you get natural weathering in the wood. You can choose to preserve the color if that's your goal. It's very easy to work with, easy to cut, easy to install, and the natural beauty of wood is just something you can't fake.